Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover sales innovations with Oracle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover sales innovations with Oracle, begin by logging into your Oracle account. Navigate to the Sales Cloud dashboard. Locate the Innovations tab on the navigation menu. Click on the Innovations tab to access the section. You will see a list of sales innovations available for your organization. Identify the specific innovation you want to recover. Click on the innovation name to view its details. Review the overview, benefits, and associated documents of the innovation. If the innovation was previously implemented, check the status to see if it is active or inactive. To recover it, look for the Recover option or button on the page. Click on Recover to initiate the recovery process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the recovery action. Confirm the action to proceed. Once confirmed, the system will process your request. Wait for the system to complete the recovery. You should see a notification indicating the recovery was successful. Return to the innovations list to verify the status of the recovered innovation. Take note of any next steps required for full implementation. Review any impact the recovery may have on your ongoing sales strategies. Be sure to communicate with your team about the recovered innovation. Monitor its performance and gather feedback for future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.